Alright guys, Kapper here, and keep in mind that I'm working on my old super slow computer because our good one is down, but I've dug up some old pictures, and these first few are just a reminder for all of us that hopefully spring is not too far away. Granted, in northern states like Wisconsin and Minnesota, and even worse, Canada, you got about 6 months left, but for us here in the south and the mid-south, spring is coming soon, so hang in there to them guys up north. But check this out. On Super Bowl Sunday afternoon, we got visited by a really awesome flock of ducks. And at first we thought they were mallards, and obviously at closer look they are not mallards. But we looked through the duck books, and I used to be a duck hunter, so I'm pretty good. At first I thought, widgeon, gadwall. But looking at all the colorations, to me it looks like they're teal based on the colorations. However, they look a little bit larger than teal. So take a look, see what you think. I'll roll a little bit of music here, and hopefully you enjoy our visitors, because we sure did. It was just fun to watch, a larger flock of ducks land on the pond. And they actually broke into two separate flocks. One was on one side of the pond and one was on the other. So check it out. Hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned for land management action. The ground dries up soon. I will be out there starting on Project 211 and on our place here.